Good evening, everyone, and we will have an overview regarding the Revit 2020, in which we will tackle about the thing that usage of Revit. So first, you can see the screen in which this is the environment of Revit, and we will have a look on what are the features of the 2020, in which in going to the architecture you will see the walls, doors, the windows, the components, the columns, roofs, and all architecture things. You can have a look on this Revit. So you can build all your architecture using this default thing from Revit. Then once you make your, let's say we'll start for the walls. So this is the walls. Then you can drag these walls here, so it will automatically run through your walls. Then if you click the parameter and then you want to see the model, you can just go to the model view. Then you can see the wall which you have make. Then going back to your view, you can see also two view, like if you want to work from the model and directly you can see your walls, automatically it will see your. Then if you go here, you can see the properties. Then you can change the height, the families, curtain walls, you can stack walls, you can replace all you want to do in your walls. So this is just an overview. Then we will build projects. Then you will go back to your architecture, and all this plane, if you want to build a column, you don't have a family right now, then we will just load later. We will first explain the icons and the tools. So here, if you want to see to provide the dock, then what is the type of the dock, then it will be shown in your model. So you can just edit your dock. If you want to make rectangular, then you will change. Then you cannot see the view here since it is going down. Then if you want to make this up, then first you need to have a section from this view, and then you will change the elevation. So from here, then you just click go to view. Since it is coming here and your elevation, you will just move. Let's see if you can. So but here you will adjust your range, view range. So we will discuss later for your view range. So we will first tackle to the systems, then docks, terminals, accessories, conduit, viewer, show components, lighting fixtures, all families you can load, or you can make a cable tray, then it will be shown. So it's shown in the model, but the thing is the views, so you will just move it once we will see the properties here, since we don't assign the view template. So but everything will be here. So edit range, say the bottom level, so let's say 5 meter to bottom plane. So 5 meter is cut the bottom plane. So limited, so we'll just put unlimited as of now, since we don't have the setting, since we are just going new. So from insert, you can insert your Revit links, IFC CAD or topography. Then you can load also your family, where your family is provided. Then let's say you have the families here, then you have to load the families wherever you, which family you want. Okay, and then we will make E1 project. After this, then you have the line alignment, revision cloud, stair path, insulation. All these things here will be provided in the Revit. So if you want to detail line, just click it. Now Revit is a great tool. So for this item, first you have to make a line here. Let's say again line. If you want to make an, say here, click. So there is no setting. This line is not part of the view range. So all here snap elevation, you get to see here a lot of icons. Then when you analyze duct check system, then you have to go here, pipe pressure loss report, duct pressure loss report. You need to set this quantity, setting loss. So every time you have done this one, then so we will go further, but we will have first to check the basic things. Then if you want to go to the work sets, if you want to collaborate these things and view, like manage all this one, materials, object style, panel schedule. So you need to go here, and if you have add-ins, scope synchronizer, you want to make PDF, external tools, so Navis work, batch print, transmit if you want to transmit a model, then check, manage, so issues, manage issues. You can see here some issues in the Revit. Content studio, save families. If you want to make families, you can create in this content studio. Then beam link if you want to make a sheet, but for this one I will explain further, like if you are in the sheet, but right now we don't have sheet, so we'll just stay as it is, since we don't set here. So families, you have these default families, event links we did not link, and we have also the bucket tool. We have a lot. And then edit, you need to offset, align. It's almost the same with the right now. So there is also a link here for the icons, like for the home, you want to open a drawing, and then for saving, undo, want to print, you make some dimension, want to make some tags, then these things. So this is the overview of the Revit, and then we'll make E1 project in the part 2. Please subscribe and we'll explain further for the Revit. Thank you. Please subscribe.